Hello, my name is Marquise Reeves, and I am doing the project presentation 1. Starting off with my first trigger, when the player walks into this box, the door is just going to open. The second trigger here is when the player walks into this box, the rock is going to slide from across that wall to the next. The third didn't work, unfortunately. When the player stepped into there, the tutorial for pressing space to jump was supposed to go, but that didn't work. Over here is the interaction where the player presses F to open the door that is locked. And then, when the player walks into this room, a gun sound will play as they go in. I do want to apologize for this video, Derek. Number one, if you want me to re-record it, I can try, but for some reason the computers did not want to record this. So this is the best that I can do, and I've tried to re-record this, but here, when the player walks into the trigger, if they stand here for 4 seconds, it will reverse and close the door, but when they walk through, that's good. And when the player walks into this trigger, the rock slides across the room. Unfortunately, again, I could not get the third trigger to work here, which was having the tutorial text set on the screen for press space to jump. When they walk around this corner and they get into the trigger, they will press F and the door opens. Unfortunately, the video isn't really showing too much because, again, it just was not, the OBS was not liking anything. But here, kind of, you can see that when you walk into the room, a gun sound plays multiple times, and that's about it. So I got 4 out of 5 triggers to work, but other than that, I wasn't able to get the tutorial text to work. Another issue with this video is that later, and I had to cut it out, but when I tried to open the blueprints, for some reason it wasn't capturing on OBS even with this monitor capture, so I do apologize for that. If you want me to re-record this, I can try to re-record it on the computers again, and then just do a voiceover like I am, but until then, I'm just handing something in so that way I don't get like a full 0. So yeah, just let me know, Derek. Bye.